Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 22nd April 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 4, number 18, number 27, number 36, number 49, booster number 8. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership. 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction first number 13, number 25, number 32, number 45, number 6, booster number 18. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.